So hi guys, we have already our like the start project is up and running, and we have already done with the API application. And what should be the next step? The next step would be to actually creating those endpoints, right? And before creating those endpoints, right, we need to include the URLs in our like blog project. What I actually meant by that, so what we will be doing here is we will be creating some URL here, right? Some URLs here, right? So let me call it urls dot py, right? urls dot py. So here we will be going to have some URLs, right, to create the blogs and to list all the blogs and to delete the blogs and to update the blogs, right? So we will be already have, and to tell this URL will be presenting, so we need to specify it here, right? So we need to say something like path, and here what we need to do, here we need to say API forward slash uh, include, so include, uh, so we need to specify the names and the URLs here, right? So we have, we need to include this function as well. We have used it here. So we have already specified this URL. So mapping, so basically what we are doing, we are mapping this URL with a like project URL, right? So what we need to do here is we need to create uh, APIs here. So we will be creating our APIs route here. So let me do one thing. So let me just copy it here, and let me just remove this part, so we don't need this part. And so here we will be creating our uh, all the URLs, right? All the URLs. So to test it whether it is working properly or not, so let's say a path, and we need to specify the views as well. Views dot home, and let's say name the view as home. Name the view as home, right? So let me do this, and let me say in views.py, let's define a view, right? So let's say dev home, and here we need to pass the request, and let's return some HTTP response. So we need to install from django.http import HTTP response, and let's say API is working. Let's call this, and let's try to see. So here views is not defined. So what we need to do, we need to import it here. So from views, from current dot import views, right? So I think now it will be working. So let's try to visit to this endpoint, and yeah, it is running. It is running perfectly fine, right? So we are done with these steps, and we actually don't need this. In this case, we are going to create API overviews, right? So let's call it an API overview function, and so here you need to specify this as API overview, and let's call name it as API overview here, right? So, and we will be defining some functionality here to see all the resources. So that's it for this video, and onwards we will be having our different kinds of endpoint, right? And we will be firstly creating the models, and then we will be creating our endpoints, and then finally we will be creating our views, right? So thank you.